Hello, friends! Today's objective for this lesson is to review solfege, hand signs, and to do a sight reading example at the end of the lesson. Now, you see that little snow globe on the screen? Well, I'm in that snow globe, and for today's fun side project, I want you to count how many times you see me in the lesson. And at the end, if you get the right number, then you win. Let's get started. All right, let's review our solfege hand signs. Now, as you can see, we have a ladder starting from low do, going all the way to high do. Now, do moves depending on what key we are in. For today, we're going to be in the key of C, so C major, so no flats and no sharps. The scale will always go in this order. Now, each hand sign is associated with a pitch in the scale. So let's start from low do, do, and we're going to use our hand signs and climb all the way up the ladder. Ready? And do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Great job. Let's do it one more time. And this time, I encourage you to look at the C major scale that's at the top left-hand corner. Let's try it again. Ready? And do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Great job, everyone. Now, let's do some sight singing drills. We're going to start at the top left-hand corner. So we're starting on do, ready, and do, re, mi, re, do. Let's do it again. Do, re, mi, re, do. Great. Now move to the right top hand corner. Ready, and do, mi, do, ti, do. Let's do it again. Do, mi, do, ti, do. Great. Let's do the left bottom hand corner. Ready? And do, mi, so, mi, do. What do we notice about that? That is our tonic triad. Let's do it one more time. Ready? And do, mi, so, mi, do. Great. Let's do our last one. Ready? And do, mi, fa, sol, mi, do. Ooh, that one's a little tricky because we're adding our fun little friend fa, right? Let's try it one more time. Ready? And do, mi, fa, sol, mi, do. Great job, friends. Now, before we can go on to our sight reading example, we have to review our music note durations. So the first one is called a whole note. And how many beats does a whole note get? 4 beats. That's correct. Then we move on to the half note, and this gets 2 beats. Then there's the quarter note, which gets 1 beat. The eighth note, which gets half a beat. And if you put 2 eighth notes together, it equals 1 beat, because a half plus a half equals a whole. You got it. Great job. Now, let's go ahead and do some sight reading practice. We are in the key of C, so there are no flats and no sharps. If we are in the key of C, our tonic is C, which means our do is C, right? So in this case, we are starting on do. Let's get our first pitch. But before we sing, let's take a look at this ahead of time. That way we're prepared and ready. Now, if you look at the third and fourth measure, I see that we are skipping. And guess what? It looks like it's our tonic triad. Do, mi, so, mi, do. So let's keep that in mind. The rest looks like it's going stepwise motion, and it looks like we know the rhythm really well because we just reviewed it. We have quarter notes, eighth notes, half notes, and I even spot a whole note at the end. Do you think you can try it? Let's try to do it. First, before we sing, let's just chant the solfege. So we're starting on do. We're just going to chant it. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, mi, so, mi, do, ti, do. Great job. Do you think we're ready to sing it? I think we're ready to sing it. Let's go ahead and start. Do. Let's do our tonic triad first. Do, mi, so, mi, do, lo, so, do. Let's try it. Ready? And do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, mi, so, mi, do, ti, do. Great job, everyone. You did it. All right. Great job, friends. Now, I gave you a challenge at the beginning of this. How many times did you count me, including this slide? If your answer is 6, then you are correct. Great job, friends. Thank you so much, and see you next time.